Okay, so I'm going to be demonstrating the historical motion of the night sky. I have started this thing. My computer's just a little laggy, so I'm going to push play. Maybe. Okay, so the sky is moving. And you can see this point right here. The Earth is rotating around the constellations, but people didn't think that way. They thought that the stars were moving around us. And if you're watching, you can see the sun and the moon in this corner rising and falling. So as the lecturer had mentioned, it was kind of confusing. People used to think that we were stuck in one place and all these stars were moving around us, but people used to use the stars, what they would see in the nighttime sky, according to time of year to plant their crops. So we know that this wasn't true hundreds of years later after people were using this method. So you can see I'm looking at one of these. Just push pause here. Okay, so it's nighttime right now, and you can see this Capella star. It's just moving around, and this is over the course of 24 hours. But as you speed this up to months, it's going to change in the nighttime sky. You can see it's in this quadrant 50 plus longitude. Speeding this up really, really, really fast, it's moving. It won't always be in this 50 longitude right here. So that is one way. Also, you can see Mars right here. The planets are going to start moving as the time of year changes also. So that is how, back thousands of years ago, people were able to make conclusions that the Earth was in one place and the stars were moving around it, rather than what it really is.